Good morning, guys. I just woke up and my sister told me I have to give her a lift into town. So I'm gonna quickly have a shower and wash my hair. And then yeah, I guess I have to give her a lift. I'll show you what I'm gonna use in the shower today. I just need to pick something out first. I'm just gonna take my Body Shop Mango shower gel. I'm not gonna take any scrubs today because my tattoos are still fresh, so I don't want to like put anything abrasive over them. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, I'm out of the shower now. I washed my hair, so I'm just gonna let it dry while I drive in. I'm probably gonna get an iced latte because I'm so thirsty and I need a coffee. And some of those new Nutella pancakes because they're really good. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna take my sister in now. So yeah, talk to you guys soon. Alright, I'm home now. I just put a load of washing on and I think I'm probably going to just probably rest for a bit now. Like this morning I didn't get to watch my YouTube or chill or anything, so I think that's what I'm going to do now until the washing machine takes an hour, so I'll wait until that's done and then I'll go out and put it on and then get into my work for the day. But yeah, I'm probably just going to chill for a little bit. So yeah, that's what I'll do now. And I'll show you guys when I'm awake. Well, if I go to sleep, but yeah, anyway. Hey guys, so I've just woken up. I just had like a little power nap. Well, I woke up probably about 15 minutes ago now. I just put that washing out on the line and then I just put another load on. And Tilly and I are just inside now. I brought her in because it's so hot outside. Stop eating things! She just keeps finding things on the floor. Someone's dropped... Stop it! I think it's licorice. Stop it! Drop it! Now! Let go. Anyway, someone's dropped the stuff on the ground and she keeps eating it. But yeah, it's so hot outside, so... should be nice and cool in here. I think I'm going to give filming a miss for today because it's so hot. I actually don't know like what the temperature is. Let's have a look. But it's even hotter in my filming room than what it is like outside because it's like in a shed. So yeah, but let's have a look. So yeah, it's kind of like sitting in the car, like it makes it hotter, if you know what I mean. Alright, let's have a look. Yeah, it's 34 degrees. Wow, that's quite hot. So yeah, very hot today. I do need to straighten my hair, but I'm gonna let myself cool off first because I'm so sweaty right now because I just hung the washing out. So yeah, I'm probably gonna make myself like a nice iced drink. I think I might I think I'll do like a lime cordial, crushed ice, and yeah, some water. And then yeah, I'm gonna edit for today because if I go in my filming room, I'm just gonna sweat my makeup off, honestly. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Just get into editing. I might make something for lunch. You know what I actually really want is a sprinkle sandwich. So that's what I'm gonna make. If you're ever wondering where all of my decluttered makeup goes, it goes to, I have a setup with like this one girl. She's one of my friends and I just give her like everything at a discounted rate. So like this box here I charged her $100 for, and there's like all my, it's from all of my last declutter, like all my palettes. There's some like highlighters in there, and what else do we have, like a bronzer, like a couple face palettes, just stuff like that. So yeah, I just give it to her at a really discounted rate just to kind of get rid of it. But yeah, so none of my decluttered makeup ever goes to waste, apart from if it's old or expired, like, and it can't be used again, like a mascara or something like that. Like that obviously just goes in the bin. But yeah, everything else goes to a brand new home. But yeah, she's coming to pick that up now. So yeah, I left my sandwich for a second. I made her one and she jumped up and ate mine. What did you do? What did you do? Tilly, look at me. What did you do? Did you eat my sandwich? I'm so angry at her. What the hell? Right, so I've got my drink. And then I've got my sandwich now. I had to remake it. And I've got hers. But I really don't want to give hers now. Hers now because she ate mine and I'm mad. But anyway. Let's give her some. I just made her a cheese one.
Over there and stay.
Oh, I'm giving her this, sorry. Come here.
Ah.
Sit down. No, sit. No. No. Now you can have it. Good girl. Oh my god, she almost bit my hand off. She acts like she's never been fed before in her life. And all she does is eat. Look at her, she's so chunky. She actually is on a bit of a diet at the moment. Alright. Here, you got one more and then that's it. Oh, look at all the mess she made. Right, here, your last sandwich. Sit. No. 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 Yeah, you can have it. Good girl. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna have my lunch and edit. And this is her little water bowl for the inside. So, yeah, anyway, alright. Alright guys, I didn't vlog the last couple of hours because I was working on my secret project and some really exciting stuff came today that I once again can't talk to you about because it's a secret project. But anyway, I'm going to Sam's now. He went away for the weekend, but he's obviously back now, so yeah, I'm going to pick him up. So yeah, see you guys soon. I'm with Sam now. I just got some Zambro and I just got a Gatorade. So that's our tea. Hey guys, I didn't finish the vlog last night because after tea, Sam and I literally went straight to bed. He went away for like a weekend with all of his friends, so he was pretty like knackered. And yeah, I was pretty tired. So yeah, we got Zambro, we went to Kmart. Oh, I actually got this from Kmart for my nephew, so I thought that was really cute. So it comes with little elf treats, Santa's cookies and a reindeer food. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas day 14. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.